I think we've got a very interesting activity for you in this chapter. We're going to build our first real web application.
This video is brought to you by OppiePies Academy.
We're going to use the Irish Trains API that we used in the previous activity, and we're going to use that same API now to build an application that outputs data to the web. So you see I've got my web browser here and my Get Train status button. I'm going to click the button. The API contacts the Irish Trains API, and there you can see a listing of all the current trains running under the Irish Trains banner. There's about 50 of them. So creating this application has a number of steps. The idea here is to familiarize you with some of the same concepts that you learned when you were learning Python, but also combine your HTML knowledge. So if we take a look here, we first create the user interface. We test. We do a little styling. And then we build the JavaScript necessary to contact the server. You can see the URL right here, get the data, and then display the data in a table. You remember tables, you learned about them in HTML. So all of the code is provided here. You should note that if you get confused as to where to insert the code, I've put the full code listing at the very end of the lab. So that may be a helpful reference for you. All right, good luck. We'll be back on the other side to explain the code for you line by line. See you there.